Ready to learn drawing realistic hair in Photoshop? Begin with a detailed sketch or outline, ensuring your hair flow is well defined. Create the new layer for your hair. Will begin with broad strokes. Select a soft, round brush from the Brushes panel settings. Customize the initial brush. Adjust the brush size to match the scale of the hair. Set the hardness to near zero. Adjust the spacing for individual strands. Experiment with size jitter and angle jitter. Applying pen pressure. These settings will determine volume and flow. Start with a base layer, using long, flowing strokes to block the main flow of the hair. Add detailed strands on separate layers, refining the look. Adjust the pressure to vary thickness for realism. Pay attention to direction and movement. Add shadows using a slightly darker shade. Concentrate these layers where the hair overlaps. For depth, add highlights with a lighter shade by mirroring the shadows. Build up highlights in layers, modifying the size. Always remember how the hair reflects light. Congratulations, you have drawn realistic flowing hair. Practice and experiment. Like and subscribe for future art tips.